Mike here. I'm here at South Palm Grove Village, a new development of Ayala Land via their Alveo Land Company. So it's a pre-development stage. As you can see, and ikot ko ng konti. So may mga roadworks na, no? Siguro this will be turned over in about 30 to 36 months roughly, no? So they're selling it already. Dami nang bumili. So decided to make a video. I want to make to put this question out there, no? When is the best time to buy real estate? The answer is yesterday. Yeah. So tapos na yung yesterday. So the best time to buy is today or ASAP. Yon. So at this pre-development stage. Anyway, yon, marami nang bumili at this stage, no, to the newbies or to the people who are not well adept yet with real estate. This is the best time to purchase. No? Why? Because the prices are still relatively low. Yon. Tapos may terms pa. Here they're selling at 30 to 35,000 pesos per square meter, and they have payment terms from cash payments, no? Cash payments, ano siya, malaking discount up to 36 months to pay 0 interest. Yon. So now is the best time. So Lipa, ang layo naman yan, Mike. Ba't naman kami bibili dyan? So they're in good company. That's what during the 1950s, 1960s, it was the same thing that was said with Forbes Park, Dasmariñas Village, no? People were no, until New Manila lang, no? New Manila, Old Manila, hanggang dun lang. Beyond that, Makati was a swampland. Ang layo naman nun. Okay, so ba't kami bibili doon? No, fast forward to now. How much is the property there? Easily 500 million sa Dasmariñas Village. Sa Forbes naman 1 billion. Wow, unthinkable numbers, no? Price per square meter, mga San Lorenzo Village na yan, Bel Air, 300, 400,000 pesos per square meter, diba? So during the 80s, Ayala Alabang, nako, ang layo niyan, Mike. No, I wasn't selling it. No, ang layo naman yan. Who would go there? Who would buy there? Why would we buy there? Price there at that time, 800 pesos to 1,000 pesos, may 2.5 a few years after it was launched, no? So how much it's selling now? 180,000 to 220,000 pesos per square meter in Ayala, Alabang. Okay, yung country club nun was selling at 90,000 pesos. When it opened, now it's, I think, from 15 million to 25 million, I think. And New Valley, year 2010. Okay, yung Abri was selling for 10,000 pesos per square meter at this stage, no? Or parang putik-putik pa yon. Ganitong stage, so it was selling for 10,000. How much is selling it now? They're selling it at 40 to 50,000 pesos per square meter. The new Ayala Land Premier Properties is selling for 55,000 pesos per square meter now. Yon. And still, malayo pa yan. Malayo pa yung upwards trajectory. So when they say that ang layo namang layo ng area, no? They really don't try to foresee the future or the past trends that the movement of people is from Metro Manila towards the suburbs na hanggang palayo ng palayo yan. Even I heard Ayala's land banking in Quezon, in some other areas palayo na, no? farther parts of Batangas, and even now in the south, sa Visayas, in Mindanao. So merong may movement na ganon. So based it from the track record of the company. Yon. So now it's 30,000, 35,000, and every time they open a phase, it will go up. This time will pass on. Pataas ng pataas yan. Ayala Land, the number one developer, which with its track record sa Makati, BGC, Forbes, Dasma, Ayala Heights, Ayala Alabang, is so bullish with this area, with Lipa. They're doing a 90-hectare development downtown. So ganun sila ka-bullish downtown. They asked the city government, we'll host your city hall, we'll put it in the middle. Okay, 5 hectares yon. And the one who will design is Buji and Royal. So sila gagawa ng city hall. Beside it, they will put up a baksakan, a modern day baksakan of produce all around southern Luzon dun lalagay. And then I heard they'll put a market also na ala Spanish, the markets in Spain, ganun type na market, no. And around it they're selling commercial lots, no. So it's nearer the start all the way from here. Yun. So that's how bullish they are with the area, no, with Lipa. No? So it's 330 meters above sea level, malamig. It's 10:30 in the morning, summertime. It's breezy. And during the bare months, no, October, November, December, January, it's very cool here. So ang katabi niya dito, it's yung Malarayat Golf and Country Club. Yon, on the opposite side naman, it's the range, no, the mountain range. So yun muna, just wanted to share with you yung that information na when is the best time to buy if you have the excess funds. If you want to find out if you can afford it, meron kasi mga terms yan, no. Give me a call. I'll share with you the information. Again, this Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.